101 Lessons from my photography experience. 1. Always enjoy your shooting. 2. During outdoor shoot in winter, keep extra warm cloths. 3. Keep your emotions and thoughts in control while on the shoot. 4. A good photographer means not a rock star. 5. Mountains looks different in different light situation. Please visit frequently on same beautiful location. 6. Make a checklist of your equipment for different assignments. 7. Photography is best way to express yourself, not a waste of time. 8. LCD of your camera is not trustable, maybe it's brighter or darker. 9. Always welcome long thoughtful comments on your blog. 10. Dirt is our best friend during outdoor shoot, don't be afraid. 11. Quality is most important in your pictures. 12. Always set and achieve your goals. 13. Sometime best images at your behind, please turn and check. 14. Tripod is best friend of a top professional photographers. 15. Make friendship with potential photo buddies. 16. Keep a notebook and pencil with you day and night. You never know about the time of idea you have. 17. Be confident and believe in you. 18. Be calm and cool. 19. Think different for creativity. 20. Don't spend too much. Control your expenses during traveling. 21. If you have any idea in your mind, always write before it wipe out. 22. Write your experience about your shooting. 23. Send your photos to the photography contests. 24. Be a part of photography groups and community. 25. Try to shoot daily basis. 26. You are you, never compare to other ones. 27. Histogram study is best way to learn. Always check it. 28. Watch the location with your heart before viewfinder. 29. You always learn with your mistakes. 30. Don't be arrogant with little success. 31. Try more and more compositions then click. 32. Find the best critique for your images and learn from them. 33. Check other photographers' work for inspiration. 34. Respectfully criticize others' work. 35. Your girlfriend, wife, friends are the best persons to take feedback. 36. Be powerful during work. 37. Drink lots of water, it make you refresh and lubricated. 38. Keep your equipments checked before go to shoot. Keep your battery always fully charged after shoot. 39. Always think of golden ratio. 40. Take your portraits selfie, behind the scene also. 41. Shoot with best perspective. 42. Reading photography books will help you to develop skills. 43. During landscape photography, try to integrate some person. It gives the extra boost to the image. Even you can use yourself. 44. Every shoot is a new challenge, accept it. 45. Award-winning formula. S-curves and S-lines include in your picture. 46. Raw file formats are the best way to shoot. 47. Sensor cleaning is must if you see some spots on your images. 48. Discover beautiful things you like most. 49. Great experience make you good photographer. 50. The equipment you have is the best equipment. Use it in better way you know. Everything is photography subject. 52. Always use photography rules. 53. Always keep your equipments in camera clean position. 54. Knowingly break the photography rules. 55. Pay attention to the light falling on your subject, try different angle. 56. Check the point of the contrast, keep your eye on it. 57. Clouds creates drama in the scene. 58. Start your own photo blog, dedication is must in photography. 59. Always say thank you and accept praise. 60. Nice shoot is not a professional word, do describe the someone's picture, say few more words. 61. Be open to say you like or not like the other's picture and why. 62. You are not a camera but you have a creative eye. 63. Make your own photography style. 64. Start a conversation on photoblog. 65. Check your archives on regular basis. 66. Keep an eye-catcher point in your pictures. 67. Every photographer has to start little. 68. Your opinion comment is very important in pictures. 69. Try to write a thoughtful and funny. 70. Share your experience with your photographer friends. 71. Make sure for best editing of your photographs. 72. Use high dynamic range in your photography. 73. Always take permission before shooting some person. 74. It's your creative eye behind the camera, not a camera. 75. Study your camera menu. During the shoot, it save time. 76. Always check the settings of your camera. 77. Keep extra memory cards with you. 78. Always arrive 30 to 45 minutes before shooting sunrise, sunset, or meeting. 79. Exercise will increase your mental and physical limits. Do exercise yoga on daily basis. 80. Always take few extra shoots. 81. Wait and watch for clouds to set in your picture. 82. Big size image always looks amazing, print big. 83. Calibrate your monitor LCD LED frequently. Bad calibrated LCD produce bad results. 84. If you like your image, it's good for publishing. Don't think what others says. 85. Always move forward. Your mistakes is your teacher. 86. Laziness is big enemy of creativity in business. Be disciplined. 87. Question yourself, what do you like to express with your images? 88. Think out of the box. Get new ideas from your thoughts. 89. Try to find a good mentor. 90. Your enemies are everywhere. So many people not like what are you doing? 91. Your first 10,000 photographs are your worst. Henri Cartier-Bresson. 92. Never thought a better camera produced better images. Best images always produced with the image you have in your mind. 93. Do not drink alcohol at shoot. 94. Keep raincoat for your equipment and for you also as it's rainy season. 95. Do not eat heavy food during travel. 96. Keep emergency medicine with you. 97. Take extra set of eyeglasses. 98. Wear best quality sports shoes during travel. 99. Not drive bike at night. Plan your route for daylight only. 100. Keep few energy bars always with you. 101. Never give your equipment to anybody you don't know.